Yo, what's happening? Dysphemic here, about to go and make bass out of a possum. So if you haven't been following the video series, I've been getting people to vote for what I should make bass out of. If you've heard this possum before, it pretty much, the screams just sound like white noise. So I anticipate this one's going to be a little bit challenging. If you're digging these video series, like the video, share it out now. So I have these possum samples right here. All right, let's check it out. Hectic. It's like when the possum attacks. I'm trying to get some resonance in there because there's nothing going on. Maybe we can automate this tone. Let's just repeat this so we can experiment a bit more. Sounds a bit like a walrus of some kind. Let's bounce this guy. Call him Satan Possum. I just want to reintroduce the satanic possum into the ecosystem right here. What if we just chuck the same thing through the same... Let's just see what we can do with this one sound, alright? Can we time stretch him maybe? Ah, finally a small morsel of bass right here. Let me just save this. Possum morsel of bass. Alright, and then what if we reverse the second one? Man, it's getting there somehow. I don't know how, but somehow it's getting there. Is that a note? Almost. Almost getting an E. Finding videos of possum screaming is just... Man, I had to scrape the internet. Like, they're pretty elusive creatures. Let me just say that. There's lots of videos of them, like, eating fruit. One thing I know, they love fucking fruit. Like, how sinister... You can't even see him. So he's eating fruit. He hits him. Check it out. Alright, that's got to be the one. Put him down an octave. I mean, that sounds pretty good. Let's go see what this sounds like over a beat. I've got this beat right here. Let's do it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Can we somehow get this into a goddamn key? It's definitely crazy, this one. Fuck! Bastard crashing. Now, I just want to kind of like chuck in some a bit of like raw, sneaky, satanic possum going on. Kick off the entire track. Let's see what it sounds like. I want the second section just to go jungle as fuck right here. I just want to like end it off just with like straight up jungle, but he's just like angry as fuck about it. That's a sick loop right there, check it. Alright, let's check out the entire thing. Anyway, there you go, making bass out of a bush-tail possum. As always, please like the video, support it by sharing it out. What should I make bass out of next? Leave your suggestion, leave your vote in the comment below. Alright, I'll see you next time around. Have an amazing day, you bloody bastard.